welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the How To in Canva series. In this series, we take features of Canva, the design program, and we take a look at how you can use them to create your own original content and how it can make your life loads and loads easier, save you a ton of time. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the design template feature. So this is where if you're creating a piece of content, you might take a look through the hundreds and hundreds, probably thousands of different design templates and find one that is close to what you're looking for, and then you can customize it from there. But it's a nice feature because you don't have to start from complete scratch unless you want to, of course. So let's go ahead and get into this. For the purposes of this video, we are going to create a flyer because this will contain a lot of the aspects that I want to show you about designing from a template. All right, so we're going to create a blank flyer. Now, let's say that we are an Amazon influencer and we have an Amazon storefront with products that we want to promote. So let's just say we want to create a flyer with some of our clothing items. So let's try this one. So we're gonna, now this particular template, you'll notice has, and by the way, the design up here, this is where you're designing your template. We'll get into the elements, which are photos, shapes, videos, audio clips that you piece together to enhance or create your design. We'll do that in the next video, but for right now, we're just looking at templates. So when you come into your design space, that design is going to be defaulted, meaning this is where, okay, what's your template? What's your, kind of background going to be? So we've chosen this gray and black classic minimalist clothing store flyer. And this particular one has 2 pages. So we're going to click on apply both pages. So as you can see, we've got a pre-made, pre-designed, pre-populated template ready to go. Of course, we're not going to use it just as is. We are going to modify it. All right. So the second page, we're going to delete it because it's the same thing, only different colors. And I really don't like that green. So let's just focus on page 1 here. So let's say your Amazon storefront is clothes for us. Super clever. I am so original. Sometimes I can't stand it. Okay, clothes are us. Now, we're going to want to feature, if you've got an Amazon storefront, then presumably you've got photos of the products that you like to promote in your, OneDrive or your, Google Drive or whatever you use for file storage. So that's where you would come to uploads. You would upload them into this space here, and then you would just bring them over to your flyer. But I don't really have any uploads that would be suitable, so we're going to come up to elements. I'll go over this in much more detail in the elements how-to video, but I just want to show you a couple things for right now that why using a template is such a time saver. So I've got a picture of some clothes here hanging on a rack, and let's say I want to replace this photo with this photo. So I'm going to click on it and drag it over and see how it just pops right in there. No resizing, no reframing, nothing. And let's do the same thing. Let's find some more clothes pictures. So same thing, we're just going to click, drag, drop. Click, drag, drop. I mean, super easy, right? Then you'll just come over here and we'll get into this more, like I said, in the elements video tutorial. But for now, just suffice to say that you can change any of these text boxes. You can delete them and put a new one in if you want. You can obviously keep the text, but just edit it. You can change the size of the text box, which of course also changes the size of the text itself. You can change fonts. You can change colors of the text. You can do pretty much anything you want. You can even change the background. Right now we just have a solid color. Let's say we want to use this abstract, sort of a concrete-y kind of a look. Way too busy, would you agree? So we can either discard it or we can make it just a little more transparent. So that looks a little better. But anyway, that is how you use a design template. You can add a page and then pick a new template if you want to. Now this would be useful if you wanted 2 different flyers. I mean, you can obviously create separate files, but you can also just add another page. And then when you download, which I'll show you in just a minute here, you can just do 1 page at a time and they'll download as separate files. Now here, this is an excellent template if you're trying to promote your Amazon storefront, because look, they're already framed into mobile phone icons here. So again, you would just drag over and drop into one of the frames. Super duper easy. I don't know what that says, but probably some kind of logo. You can, oh, it says scan me. So just, you can add your logo, you can add your own photo, you can add your storefront URL, whatever you want to add. So let's say we're all done. We like the way these look and we're going to download them. So you come over here and hit download. And this is where I was saying that you can just download 1 page or the other or both. It's up to you. Let's just go ahead and do the first page. So we'll hit done and then download. And then as soon as it's finished downloading, you just pull it out of your file and you can post it wherever you want it to go. So that is that. I think that is it for this video. Again, dive into Canva, get your feet wet, look through all of these different templates. You can see that a lot of them are pro version only, but a lot of them are not. So take a look around, get to know the different templates, and remember, you can always come back up here and type something in the search bar if you're not finding quite the look that you want. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Please give me a like on the video and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get notified with every new piece of content that comes out. I'll see you in the next video.